This is on Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Polkadot yesterday. Polkadot, first let's put my charts into perspective. This is a candlestick area. These vertical gray bars, this is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. This purple line that you see here, this is Camarilla Pivot S4. This blue line that you see here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart, this is the 4-hour chart, and this is the weekly chart. I'll walk you through what I was seeing on Polkadot that got me interested. The first thing I will do when I look at currency pairs is I will check this 200 EMA. So price action is trading below on the weekly. This was the position at the open, at the US Open yesterday. So this is trading at and below the 200 EMA. And also here, this is at the open of the US market here, so trading below. So seeing correlation between the position of the price action on with the 200 EMA. So I'm seeing a lot of weakness. Also here, just how I go through my charts on the weekly, my bias is a short. Also with this S4 Camarilla Pivot here, any price action that trades below this is a signal to go short, and this would be a traverse down to the S6 level here. So what I'm seeing here on the 4-hour chart, this is where I want to get my structure. So this is the strong high that I'm seeing here, and this is the strong low. We can see the price action sell off from this strong high and fail to break out of it. This fails. This fails. So I'm seeing weakness structurally. It's not able to make a break of structure to continue the trend. And then we see here it breaks down. It's been testing this 200 EMA here. And then here at the US Open, it actually breaks down and loses. And we can see the following candle. It does the same with this very large doji, this indecision candle that closes on the seller side. We can see the pullback. I take an entry. And then we get the sell-off here. We can see an elevated volume profile coming in with these. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing here on the 4-hour. This is Camarilla Pivot S3. This is Camarilla Pivot S4. And here on the 15-minute, my entry is a little early. I've been working on my entries and trying to take entries at or behind or at the opposite side of the 200 EMA. So here would be an appropriate entry, here would be an appropriate entry, and here would be an appropriate entry. Here is like a little chef's kiss or something. I was watching this late. I chopped myself up in it, in this currency pair in this area in the morning. And then this particular price action right here scared me out of it, which was good because my psychology was a bit of a mess. But took this entry, put my stop actually back here, which was my initial stop from my pre-trade review yesterday morning. Then when the price action got to here, I actually, when I took this entry, I moved my stop from here over to here, and then was able to get the move down to the S6 level. You can see where it tests the structure of this last strong low, and then breaks structure. But this was my trade on Polkadot yesterday. That finished overnight. And this is on Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.